So first aid is really important because those first vital seconds and minutes can make all the difference. However, you will still need to get, or you may still need to get your pet to the vet for further treatment, just like you would for an ambulance for a human. So really important that you phone the vet first. So you give your immediate first aid and you phone the vet and you double check with them. You phone to establish the most local vet because your vet might not be the nearest to you. There's various apps that you can put on your phone that can help you to locate the nearest vet in an emergency. Don't give the dog anything to eat or drink in case they need an operation. If you think they might be dehydrated, then check with the vet first and they will probably advise small sips of water. But it's always safer to operate if a pet or a human has an empty stomach, which is why we advise not to give anything to eat or drink. Keep them warm and dry because that minimises the effect of shock. And once you get to the vet, they will need your name, your telephone number and your location, including the postcode. They want to know the exact type of accident or illness, and they'll want to focus on, the serious symptoms. So they want to know, is your dog breathing or not breathing? Are they conscious or not conscious? They'll want your animal's name, the breed, the gender and the date of birth. And when you get to the vet, they will need to know whether it's a female dog if they've been neutered. They'll want to know if they've been microchipped and the details around that, their vaccinations they've received, and the insurance details, medical conditions, any medication that they're on, and their previous medical history. So it's really important to have that information, or really helpful to have that information on a little card in your wallet and out and about with you at all times.